All right, ladies and gentlemen, now let's go ahead and go over how much I paid for the 2009 Pontiac G8 GT with it being cammed with all the bells and whistles. Now, if you guys don't know, we just went through a whole series of the Pontiac G8 GT. So we just got done with the rebuild. We just sold the vehicle. Now I'm going to show you guys how much I paid for the vehicle. We're going to be doing this on every single vehicle. We're going to go through, we're going to rebuild them all, and then we're going to show you, I'm going to show you the price at the end of the rebuild. So the Pontiac G8 GT series is now over, so let's go ahead and go over the price. The next build would be the Lexus IS 350C, which videos are coming after this video, all right? So this is my auto auction research tool. If you would like to use this tool, the link is in the description below. If you need a broker to buy a car off Copart or IAA, the link is also in the description below. And of course, if you want to learn how to buy and sell cars, head on over to whdacademy.com. The link is in the description below. I'll show you how to get your dealer license and everything, all right? Let's go over the Pontiac. So if you've been watching the videos, this is how I bought the Pontiac, just like this. The only thing that I did to the car was buy a new fender and a new door and got it painted. As far as, you know, we just watched the whole series, but as far as, you know, I put new tires on and stuff like that. I'm not gonna lie, I missed this car. I wish I did not sell this car, but it's over. All right, it's over, it's done with. I say that all the time. It had 138 on the miles. I think when I sold it would have had like 140, I believe, 43 or something like that. So 138 on the miles. Man, I do still wish I had this car. I should have kept this car around. I know a lot of you guys was in the comments like, you should keep it, you should keep it. You right. I should have kept it. You are right. I should have never sold this car. I should have kept it and you know, got some wheels on it. You know, slowly built it up to where I wanted it, which really just needed some wheels. You know what I mean? Honestly, I probably would have never even put wheels on it. Honestly, I would have just left it just like this. There's no need for no more upgrades. It was already cammed. It had the headers on it, the slotted rotors. It was already ready. Y'all already know, man. 138 on the miles. 138, 388. There's a better look at the damage. Look, it had the coilovers. Man, the car was ready. Why did you sell it, Ray? Why did you sell it, bro? I don't know, bro. I don't know. All right, so you can see, according to my auto auction research tool, one sale, one auction, low risk, miles run, salvage title. USAA sold it. 47 was the bid that I paid out the door because I do have a dealer license. I paid an extra $758, which brought me to 54.58. All right, so basically $5,500 is what I won the Pontiac for. All right, that's what I won the Pontiac for. If you ask me, that was a good price, and I should have kept the car, bro. I should have kept the car, bro. What was you doing, bro? But at the time, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know how the game go, man. People be trying to make money, bro. You know what I'm saying? Listen, I got times where money is good. I got times where the money is slow. You know what I'm saying? Just like everybody else. You know what I'm saying? That's why you got to have more than one hustle. I've learned that. You know what I'm saying? And I'm slowly gaining, trying to do more hustles. You know what I'm saying? Because one is just not going to cut it, all right? 6.0 liter. And that's basically it, man. So y'all who was wondering how much I paid for the Pontiac G8, this is how much I paid. We're going to be going over every car that I paid for, every car, bro. So we're going to be going through every car. So I appreciate y'all for tuning in, and I will catch you guys on the next one. The next series is the Lexus convertible rebuild. So I got two videos for that two videos to drop on that. And then, yep. So I appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Peace.
All right, Hustle Nation, I decided to drop a low-ticket course for those of you who cannot afford the full curriculum for $147. I decided to drop a course for just $19.99, where I'm going to teach you how to inspect any car, whether from a private party buyer or the auction. These skills you can use for a lifetime, and I still use these skills to this day. This is the foundation that's going to take you to a whole nother level when it comes to checking out cars. Learn all my tips and tricks on how I've been able to buy all these nice cars and make all this money. Here are some testimonials right here where you can see how I've been able to help other people in this business. So for just $19.99, click the link in the description below and I'm going to teach you everything you need to know.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.